Hi, welcome back to our lesson The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Do you remember the story up to now? Receiving an invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse went to visit the country mouse. Okay, and how he felt and all those things we have seen. Do you know the answer of the first question? For example, why did the town mouse want to go to the countryside? Do you remember? Yes. Why did town mouse want? Did plus V1 is equal to V2. So, the town mouse wanted. Did want means wanted. Wanted to go to the countryside. Why? Because his doctor advised him to take rest for 1 week as he was ill. You can write in your own way. So the town mouse was ill. The doctor advised him to take rest, take a holiday for 1 day, and he asked him to take rest for 1 week. So he wanted to visit the country mouse. So try to write the answer in 1 or 2 sentences. So the story up to now, where we have come to? Yes. So after the town mouse came to country mouse, and he was not happy about the food and all those things, about his house and many complaints whether he went away. After a few days, who wrote? The country mouse wrote to his cousin town mouse. Yes. So the town mouse received a letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. So the town mouse received the letter from the country mouse and he read it, and he sent a reply to the letter by sending a telegram. Now it is not available, it is already stopped, but the previously it was there, sending telegram to pass a message immediately. Now we can send a message, SMS you can send. It was not there previously. Okay, it's the SMS facility. So he sent a telegram. Here is his telegram. Overjoyed means so happy to know that you are coming to visit me. I am overjoyed to listen or to learn that you are coming to visit my house. Come soon. Come as early as possible. Town mouse by town mouse. So telegram is few words. The message is conveyed. So receiving a letter from the country mouse that he wanted to visit town mouse, the town mouse sent him a telegram telling that he was so happy and asking him to come immediately. Okay now? Yes. The second part of our video, our lesson. A few days later, after a few days, the country mouse arrived in the town. Country mouse, village mouse came to the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Everywhere noise and lights always, isn't it so? Switched on. No putting on the lights also. He was surprised. Who was surprised? The country mouse. See, why was he surprised? By the noise and the lights in the town. Okay. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked, why there is light even in the middle of the night? Night we can put aside the lights and sleep nicely now. Why do you put on the lights during the night? Why are there lights? Why there are lights? Even in the middle of the night. This is a town, don't you know? It's not your village, it is a town. His cousin replied. Who replied? The town mouse replied, it is town. Here there are lights even in the middle of the night, middle of the day. Not only night, during the day also lights will be there. And what is this dreadful noise? Means fearful. You see? Fearful, bhayanagam. This noise that never stops, no ending of noise. always vehicles passing, bus, lorry, car, jeep, all kinds of vehicles, auto rickshaw, including. They are all putting their whole PP and ho, okay na? So sound, terrible sound, horrible sound that never stops, as if it would never stop. Ask the country mouse. That is a traffic. Traffic is movement of the vehicles, bus, car, etc. Always moving this way, that way. The town mouse replied, "This is a noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes." Yes, all the vehicles make noise. You see, from auto rickshaw to two-wheelers to aeroplane. Okay now? Yes, noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. He could not like the terrible noise and hurry-burry atmosphere of the town. All this noise has made my head ache. See, all this noise around makes my head ache, stomach ache. Isn't it so? Yes. But outward pains, you say, a pain on my hand. Isn't it so? Many kinds of pains are there. Headache, bodily pain. You see, prick of conscience, agony of death, pangs of childbirth. Many kinds of pains are there. Okay, anyhow, here it is. My head is aching. What a noise is around. Everywhere noise, everywhere noise. Okay, my head is aching. Could I have some water to drink? Please bring me some water. To drink, I want some water at least. Why only water? Why water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice, whatever you want, it is there. In the fridge, in the cooler, in the freezer. See, everything is ready. Whatever you want. Ice cubes are there. See, if you want, you put some ice cubes into that juice. You can make it so cold. Everything is there. Luxurious house. Whatever you want, you take. Lemon juice, orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice. What do you want, you take. Which one do you want? As in a hotel. Whatever you want, you can take. What do you want? You want orange juice, you want lime juice, you want pineapple juice, whatever you want. Just some water, said the country mouse. I don't want any of those. I am tired. I am unable to bear the sound also. I am feeling headache. I want some water. Answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. Not food, but food. Some water just to drink. And some food, whatever, no problem. Roots, sugar cane, whichever, no problem. Something to eat I want. That's all. I don't want any cakes, cheese or anything of that kind. I want something to eat and to drink some water. That's enough for me. I have plenty of food, cousin. Don't worry. Plenty of means in abundance. A lot of food items I have. So the town mouse proudly with pride. Abhimana. Is it not so? With pride he said. Negative of it is ahankaram also said. No? He's a proud boy. Okay, no? Yes, with pride he said, plenty of food items. Whatever you want, you can take. You can eat as much as you like. How much ever you want. You eat, you drink, you be happy, no problem. So much is here in my house. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard. He was staying at the back of a kitchen cupboard. Was full of most delicious food. Yes, very tasty, sweet food items. So many were there in the kitchen cupboard. There was bread and jam. Bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolates, then and a huge piece of lovely cheese. Whatever you want, all the tasty, costly items were there in his house. Not his house, you know, is not so? Yes. Eat, cousin, eat. Have it, eat. How much you want? You eat. Said the town mouse. But then, just then, there was a loud sound like a thunder. A terrible sound came like thunder and lightning. Is it not so? When the rain comes, when a tufan, okay, now cyclone comes, you can hear the thunder and you can see the lightning. Thunder and lightning. Yes, just like thunder, there was a heavy sound, huge sound. Yes, and the downmost shouted, "Run, cousin, run, 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 run away, escape." The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through the hole in the back of the cupboard. There was a hole to escape. There was a hole to escape if danger comes. If some human beings come, they have to. If any human beings come, they have to escape. There was a hole for them to escape. Run, run, run. They began running for life. Otherwise, they will be caught. Okay, now. Hey, the town mouse, where is it? There was a pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. People coming and he has to run away for his life. If they are found, they will take a stick and beat on the head. His life will be gone. Life is in danger now. Yes, if they are found by the house owner or any human being, what happens? His life will be over. They would catch you, they would kill you, or kill the mouse, okay? The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. Heartbeat became so fast because he was so much afraid, frightened. Yes, but what's it? He asked, what's it? Shh, silence, silence, shh, no sound. Whispered the town mouse, wait. No silence, please. No sounds, please. So he asked the country mouse to be silent. Complete silence there should be. When everything was silent again, or some time, complete silence came once again. The town mouse crept out of the hole. Crept out of the hole, came out from the hole. He was quite cheerful again. He was happy. He was happy once again because the man who came there went away. Come out now, cousin, he said. Don't worry, come out. There was only somebody opening the cupboard door. That was a danger. Somebody came and opened the cupboard door. So they had to run for their life. If they were found, they would be killed, no doubt. So they had to run for their life. Hey, somebody came to open the cupboard door. There is a danger. What was the danger? What was the danger? Somebody came to open the cupboard door. Okay, we are safe now, but don't worry. Now we are safe. The man has gone. But they were not safe for very long. Or someday they came back again, human being. Twice more they had run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. Unfortunately enough, what happened? When they started to eat or something, take something, somebody came there, they had run away for life. They had to wait until they had been gone. The human being. Okay, some man or woman came to open the cupboard door. Somebody came to open the cupboard door. So, mouse, country mouse as well as town mouse had to run away for their life. Why had they to run away? Because somebody came to open the cupboard door. So, 2-3 times they have run for their life. But what about the country mouse? No problem now. Go to some field, some farm, some roots they will find. Sit there happily, slowly eat. That's all. But there is no, there would be no costly items, cheese, butter, bread, jam, and nothing will be there. Only some roots or some sugar cane, something like they have to eat. But they were safe. They were happy. No worry, no danger here. Always danger. Whoever comes to open the cupboard door, they will run away. Whomever they see, they have run away. Human beings are there in the house. Whenever they see someone coming, they have run away. So running, always running. So they were afraid of their life. Okay, 2-3 times they had to run away. Okay, twice more they had run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard box as cupboard door. The country mouse got quite tired. See, quite QAT means completely tired. I said no, QAT and QAET. QAT means keep quiet. Quitty means completely. You see, quite tired means completely tired. What it is when we go and going to eat something, take something, immediately somebody comes, opens the cupboard door, they run away. They run away. Then they have to wait for the people to go away. Wait. After some time they would go, then they would come back. No time to eat, only running away. Running here, there, running. See, he was quite tired of running and hiding. Whenever someone comes, they run away and hide also. Others they would catch, they would be killed. I want to go back to the country, he said. No need, sir. Your cheese, your bread, your jam, you eat, sir. I want my life. Here my life is in danger. Why? Whenever somebody comes, I run away. Run and hide. You see, run away for life and hide for their life. So I don't want any of your items. Your cool drinks I don't want, your bread and butter I don't want, nothing I want my life. We may not get much food there. In our countryside, so much food is not there, but at least we can eat in peace, happily. We can eat there in peace. No trouble, no worry, no fear, no danger. We can eat whatever we have got in peace. Okay, that is the best, plus point of being in a countryside for the mouse. Okay, now, so the next day, the story goes on the following day, the country mouse went back to his house in the countryside. On the following day, he went back to his house in the countryside, and the town mouse stayed on his cupboard in the town. He did not go away. He liked his cupboard, his food items, his AC, then fridge, freezer, all those things are there. Luxurious life, but afraid of life. Life is luxurious, but danger can come at any moment. So he did not go away. Okay. Though there was danger, he liked the life in the town. Other one liked life in the village. Okay. In his cupboard in the town, as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. They were both fed up with the other one's life. So country mouse could not like, the town mouse life. Neither, town mouse could like the life of the countryside or the country mouse. So they did not go to visit another's house. They remained in their own house and lived happily. Is the story, what's it? The town mouse and the country mouse. Okay, now. So whatever we have got, our family, our life is precious for us, not somebody's. Okay, now. So don't think that if you go somewhere else you will be happy. Don't go for better opportunities. What you have got, your life, your family, your village, your place, your native place is so much sweet for you, very good for you. Stick on to that. That is the lesson we learned from this story. The town mouse and the country mouse. Okay, now questions are given there. So many are there. Try to find those answers. If you cannot find any of these answers, just to make a comment, I will give you the answers. In your comment box. So once go through the video part 1 and part 2 and try to find the answers too. The grammar part we'll discuss in a separate video. Of course, already videos are there. The grammar item, degrees of comparison, and other things. That's the first grammar item. Okay. Then auxiliary, model auxiliary. All those videos are there. YouTube channel SGK English. You just type degrees of comparison SGK English. Or you type model auxiliaries SGK English. You type in YouTube, you get all the full grammar items. But textual grammar, what is given there, based on that, I will give you a separate video soon after this. Okay, now? I hope the lesson is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another video. Goodbye.